Assalamu alaikum grade 5. Today we will start the new unit about geometry. Our first lesson, perimeter and area of squares and rectangles. Today inshallah we will learn how can we measure and calculate the perimeter and area of squares and rectangles. First, let's remember what's the meaning of rectangle. Rectangle, you can see it's a polygon, 2D shape with 4 sides. These 4 sides, each opposite sides are equal. So there is 2 sides, we name it length, and 2 sides width. You can see the length here. This one, the opposite one, it's also length. They are same in the measurement. The width also equal. And also in the rectangle we have 4 angles. These angles are right angles. Who can tell me what we mean by right angle? Excellent. The right angle, it's the angle with 90 degrees. Square. Square is a 2D shape with equal sides. So in the square, all the 4 sides are equal and 4 right angles. Same, the right angles are the angles with 90 degrees. Perimeter. This is a new word. We want to know what we mean by perimeter. To remember that, let's see this example. When your family puts up a new fence around your home, how will they know how much fencing they need? So the fencing around our home and our garden, this is the perimeter. Let's learn today how can we find the perimeter. The perimeter of any polygon is the sum of the measurements of the line segments that form its sides. So the perimeter in the rectangle, I have 4 sides, 2 are width, 2 are length. So if I want to find the perimeter of rectangle, I have to add the length of these 4 sides. So I say length plus width plus width. You can see grade 5 that I add length 2 times. So I can say 2 multiply length. 2 multiply L. L is the length. Or 2L. 2L, it means 2 multiply length. For the width, also same. 2 multiply width or 2W. 2W means 2 multiply width. Okay, now let's see the perimeter of the square. If I want to add all the sides, so I'll say side plus side plus side plus side. 4 times I'm adding sides. Who can tell me how can I write that as a multiplication sentence? Good. So we can write it as 4 multiply side. Repeated addition. I add 4 times, so it's 4 multiply the length of the side. Area. What we mean by the area? To know what's the meaning of the area, remember the carpet in your home. If your parents want to put a new carpet in your room, how they will know how much carpet to buy? So to know the measure of the carpet or the area of the carpet, we need to find the area. So the area is the surface covered by a polygon or by a 2D shape. Let's know what's the area of rectangle and how we calculate it. The area of rectangle, it's the product of length and width. Product means multiply. So it is length multiply width, or L W. L it means length, W width. LW, L multiply, length multiply width. The area of the square. In the square, both sides are equal, so the length equal the width. So I can say side multiply side, or the square of the sides. Sides and up, we can see this too small. What we mean by this too small? It's the square sides. How I find it? By sides multiply sides. For example, if the sides here 4 centimeters, what is the area? The area for square 4. What we mean by square 4? 4 multiply 4 equals 16 square centimeters. After we learn the formula to find the area and perimeter for square and rectangle, let's practice some examples. The first one, we have to find the area and perimeter for these two shapes. The first shape is rectangle. This rectangle have the length of 13 meter and the width of 5.7 meter. 5.7, it's decimals. So here we will practice how we multiply decimals by whole number. We learned it before. The square. I have the second shape, it's square, with the sides 1.6 centimeter. Also it's decimal. Okay, let's start solving. 1. The perimeter for rectangle equal length plus width, or 2L plus 2W. 2 multiply length plus 2 multiply width. Okay, 2 multiply the length here 13, so 2 multiply 13, 26, plus 2 multiply 5.7. How I will multiply 2 by 5.7? 2 multiply 7, 14, 4 up 1, 2 multiply 5, 10, plus 1, 11. So the answer 11.4. Now 26 plus 11.4 equal 37.4. Here don't forget to put the unit. The unit I have it in this example meter, so I write M. The area of the rectangle. The area equal length multiply width, LW. The length here 13 multiply 5.7 equal 74.1. Don't forget the unit. Here meter. For the area I write square meter. Why square meter? Because I multiply the meter 2 times. 1 time for the length, 1 time for the width. So meter multiply meter equals square meter. The second one, it's the square. Let's find the perimeter for the square. Side plus side plus side plus side, or 4 multiply side equal 4 multiply the side here 1.6. So 4 multiply 6 equal 24. I write 4 up 2. 4 by 1, 4 plus 2, 6. Excellent. So the perimeter is 6.4. Don't forget the unit, centimeter. The area now. The area of the square, it's side multiply side. Or in another way, it's square side. Remember. Now, the side is 1.6. 1.6 multiply 1.6 equal 2.56. So the area equal 2.56. What is the unit here? Square centimeter. Excellent, because the side here I measure it in the centimeter, so it's 2.56, or I can round it to to 2.6 centimeter square. One more example, the basketball example. Find the perimeter and area of the rectangular basketball court shown. At the right side, you can see the basketball court. Who can tell me what is the shape of this court? It's rectangle, good. Who can tell me what is the length for this court? Excellent, the length is 84. Now what is the width? 50. Excellent, so I know I have rectangle. The length of this rectangle 84 feet, the width is 50 feet. So now it's easy just to apply the formula we learned before. The formula for perimeter, 2 multiply length plus 2 multiply width. 2 multiply 84 plus 2 multiply 50. 2 multiply 84, let's find it. 2 multiply 4, 8. 2 multiply 8, 16. So it's 168. 2 multiply 50, fast, 100. Excellent. So 168 plus 100, it's 268. Don't forget the unit. The unit here, it's what? Feet. So the perimeter is 268 feet. The area, what is the formula for the area? Length multiply width. Remember that. So 84 multiply 50. 50, I have 0, so put the 0 down. And 84 multiply 5. 5 multiply 4, 20. 0 up 2. 5 multiply 4, 40. Plus 2 up 42. So 4200, it's 4,200 square feet. Excellent. The last example, if the perimeter of the square is 92 centimeter, find its side. So here is different. Why? Because I have the perimeter but the sides are missing. So write the formula like normal. The formula perimeter equal 4 multiply side. So 92 equal 4 multiply s. To find s, I do the opposite of multiplication, it's division. So 92 divide 4 equal 23 centimeter.